So good morning everyone. Today we are here for slogan writing competition and we have given 5 words in which we have to think some slogans and present it in the class. So the first word is India. India is the slogan for India is infinite cultural richness. The second word is humanity, which is strength in kindness. The third word is Pragya Institute. I made empowering minds daily. The fourth word is Saurabh, Jain, inspire positive action, and the last word is family, which is pillar of strength. Thank you.
The slogans are: first one, India, diverse and vibrant. Second one, humanity, our first religion. Third one is Pragya Institute, legacy of excellence. Fourth one is Saurabh, Jain, action speaks louder. Fifth one is family, united by love.
So the first one is on India, various culture heritage, and the second one is humanity, humanity powerful soul, and the third one is Pragya Institute, foster cognitive development, and the fourth one is Saurabh, Jain, lots of fancy, the family is strength.
And here are my 5 word slogan. First word is India, country of histories. Second word is humanity, compassion conquer cruelty. Third word is Pragya Institute, growth through guidance. Fourth word is Saurabh, Jain, learn and improve. Fifth word is family, unconditional love for it.
Everyone, as Delhi sir perform the activities to make the how the speak on subconsciously, and today activity is the slogan making. And there are words: India, symbol of fraternity, humanity, voice of soul, and Pragya Institute, place of creativity, Saurabh sir, strength of the student, family, strength supports trust.
Which are first one is India, so country of greatness, and second is humanity, express your love, and third one is Pragya Institute, culture of excellence, and fourth one is Saurabh, Jain, master of art, and fifth one is family, this is win of hearts.
Hello beautiful people out there. So today we here for slogan writing competition, and here are my 5 slogans. First one is on India, epitome of peace. Second one is humanity, love and compassion. Third one is Pragya Institute, witness your growth. Fourth one is Saurabh, Jain, master of excellence, and the final one is family, bond of love.
So good morning everyone. Today we are presenting slogan writing competition, and the first one word is India, premises of culture, and the second one is humanity, person become realistic, and this the third one is Pragya Institute, let's grow together, and Saurabh, Jain, ocean of guidance, man with dignity, and definition of humanity, and endless, and family, life with happiness. Thank you so much.
It was an excellent efforts put in by each one of you. The one thing I keep on telling, I'm very clear on this. Probably you have written or you have participated in the slogan writing competition for the first time. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Have you done it before ever?
No, sir.
Okay, that's great for me, because let's understand it. It's not about the results. It's not about your score. It's not about that you won that competition or you lose that. Why I create everything as a competition? Because as a psychological fact, it is well proven, when anything is done in the form of competition, one, it turns into a game, that is one. Or when anything is turned into a game, people are more interested and more participated in this. That's the reason I keep on converting every activity in form of game. And second, whenever there is a competition, people tend to put their extra efforts to win that. It's a human tendency. To gain the advantage of this, I always turn every activity in a competition. If it would have been only slogan writing, then you have put in efforts, but it would have been little less. When I gave the name that it as a slogan writing competition, you become little more cautious. Yes, I need to put something extra. That is the only behind it. So I played, and I will keep on playing with your mind by doing this. So first thing, you need to always focus on one thing. It is a progress. The first time I participated in slogan writing in my life, and yes, now I learned how to do it. That is one. And whenever I'll get an opportunity to participate in slogan writing, next time ever in my life, then definitely now I'm competent enough to do better what I did today. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next time whenever you will participate in this, will you do better or not?
Yes, sir.
So this was the sole purpose behind doing it. In writing one or two slogans, writing the slogans on 5 words, you cannot become a competent one. You cannot become a perfect one. So first, you become comfortable or familiar with this. And the second major purpose was creating a creative, improvised, subconscious thinking. Saurabh shared that I was also having something on diversity. But as soon as I heard that Rohit is speaking on diversity, immediately I changed my slogan. That's called improvisation. Spontaneously looking at the situation, you could take a different decision based on this situation. And third is subconscious. Have you picked these from anywhere? Have you searched it on the search engine before writing your slogans and all? No. So you start thinking from your subconscious. Have you did the translation? No. First you thought your slogan in Hindi, then you translate it in the. If you did it, then it's wrong. Then it does not serve the purpose of speaking subconsciously. You are not supposed to do it. First we think in Hindi, then we try to create some translation of it, then we deliver it. If you are doing it, my dear friends, as soon as it is possible for you, please overcome this habit. If you want to become a fluent, impactful speaker, because if you are doing a translation, it will cause lot of flaws in terms of fluency. Because just think of ना कि आप पहले सोचते हो, फिर translate करते हो, फिर उसको deliver करते हो, फिर tense के translation सोचते हो, it won't work for you. Because when you are speaking in the real life scenario, really you get this much time to think upon?
No, sir.
You are sitting in a job interview. Will you get this much time to think upon कि first आप हिंदी में सोच रहे हो, then you are translating an answer, then you are delivering it? If you are standing here on the podium and you are addressing the group of people, will you get time to translate it? You are presenting your presentation to your team, your seniors, your bosses, your subordinates, your client. Will you get this much time to translate your thoughts?
No, sir.
You will not get this much time to translate your thought. Then why you are developing this as a habit? So whatever the efforts I am putting here at Pragya Institute, the primary purpose is how to speak English subconsciously. That is the primary objective. And the second is, I keep on saying, Gaurav, from the day one, and again I am repeating, you are free to make mistake, but confidently. I am really not worried, Sonam, about it, that you are making mistake. Once you start speaking confidently, once you start speaking fluently, you can overcome the mistakes at any point of time. It is a hardly job of 10 days then.
Yes.
10 दिन का काम है, जो टेंस के एरर्स हैं ये सब है ना, ये 10 दिन से ज्यादा का काम ही नहीं है. Once you know how to speak confidently, how to speak fluently, even having so many flaws, by doing so many mistakes while you are speaking. Just I'm confronting in front of you. I also keep on making so many mistakes. But people are unable to catch it because of the only one reason. And that reason is I speak confidently and fluently. I don't stuck. I don't do it actually. That's the only one thing I do. And now it's time to announce the awards. First, that is about India. It goes to Amulya Patel from Bengaluru. And second, it goes to Rohit from Jaipur. Then third is about Pragya Institute. It goes to Vipin from Jaipur. And again, it's about Saurabh Jain. It goes to Amulya from Itarsi. And now, finally, family, it goes to Gaurav, Jaipur. Rolling copy. Congratulations, Gaurav. For sure, all the best.